Welcome to our channel once again. Real Nice and Molly here, bringing you another recipe. Today we'll be doing Gulgula, and for that is our ingredients there. We have all-purpose flour, sugar, ripe bananas, evaporated milk, baking powder, essence, raisins, margarine, and yeast. And that's our ingredients there, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this recipe here, a lot of people use ripe bananas. They're usually more ripe than this, as ripe as you can get them, but that's the ripest we got. But also some people make this without the bananas, and we have a recipe up already without the bananas. So today we are doing one with the banana. So let's get started. So to begin with, we're gonna peel and mash our banana. And that smells good. I love bananas. So then we're gonna add our flour to this banana here now. Sugar. Baking powder. Yeast. Essence. That's the margarine there. So you want to soak your raisins, if it's the dry ones you're using, for a bit, to soften them up a bit. So now we're going to add your milk, evaporated milk. So water. So now we're going to add our raisins. And this you can soak beforehand so that they get a bit soft. So that's it there, guys. So once our oil is hot, we're gonna begin frying. Okay guys, our oil is hot, so we're ready to fry. So these are coming nicely here, guys. Okay, so once you put this in, you want to start moving them around so they brown evenly. So these gulgulas are supposed to be dark. They are not burnt. Okay guys, so as I said, you have to turn these around as soon as you put them in, so that they brown evenly. So here is our finished gulgulas, guys, and we'll show you what it looks like. There you go, and this is so delicious. And this is usually made around religious holidays like Diwali, Pagwa, and so on. So there we go, guys, our delicious Gulgula with bananas recipe. Right, if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.